And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
And good morning. Time now is 4:47. We got temperatures in the upper 20s, low 30s out there. So a little warmer than yesterday morning, but still, of course, below average for this time of year. It's cold out there. Got a clear sky in Chicopee, also Greenfield looking just about the same with a light breeze coming in mostly out of the south. And winds are going to stay light early, but we will see the wind pick up a bit towards the afternoon. It will turn out to be a breezy day. Could see some wind gusts over 20 miles per hour in some spots for this afternoon. Temperature 27 in Northampton, 31 in Springfield, some 20s and low 30s back into the Berkshires. Going throughout the rest of the day, these temperatures continue to go on up. 9 a.m. into the upper 30s to near 40. Heading towards the afternoon, we see some 50s developing, and then eventually by later this afternoon, I think we'll climb into the upper 50s, maybe even near 60 in a few spots. So it will be overall a little warmer than yesterday, pretty much closer to average for this time of year. And this is going to be the start of that warming trend that continues through the weekend and into next week. So mostly sunny, a little breezy today. That is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. Heading through tomorrow and into the weekend, looks mostly dry with temperatures right around 60 degrees or in the low 60s. And then heading into next week, it looks really warm, well above average temperatures. And I'll talk more about that in just a moment. But looking ahead here at those temperatures going into the weekend, we'll be into the mid 60s for the day tomorrow, lower 60s for Saturday and Sunday. All three of the next couple days here look all dry. So if you have any weekend plans, especially those that maybe celebrate Easter on Sunday, you're looking pretty good. Turns out to be a nice weekend. Clouds and radar is getting dry. We're going to be staying dry and clear throughout much of the day. Once again, time will move, but nothing really pops up. 9 a.m. towards noon, towards 3 p.m. You can see nothing but sun for everybody and a clear sky going into this evening. As I mentioned, it does become breezy this morning. Not too much wind, but notice as time goes on here, the wind does start to come up a bit. Going into the afternoon, there could be some spots that do gust over 25 to near 30 miles per hour, so it will be breezy. And since it's so dry out there and we got all that dry vegetation as well, there is actually a higher risk of any brush fires for today. So elevated risk, very high brush fire potential for this afternoon with that wind out there. So just use a lot of extra caution when disposing any of those flammable materials, such as maybe cigarettes, or if you have to burn outdoors today, definitely don't leave it unattended. Temperatures out there in the 50s to near 60, mostly sunny and breezy. Heading through tonight, we're going to fall back into the 30s, scattered clouds. And for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, I did add some really nice temperatures heading into next week there. Some 60s for the weekend. Then going into next week, we got maybe a little taste of some early summer, maybe 80 degrees on Tuesday, upper 70s to near 80 on Wednesday. So the warmer weather coming and those temperatures at night climbing to the 40s and 50s heading into next week. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.